आप देख रहे हैं रोशन पाकिस्तान न्यूज।
What inspires me most about China is the way they have lifted 700 million people out of poverty in 30 years. This has never happened in human history. And for someone who cares about humanity, I think this is an example which the entire world can follow and learn from China. So, for me, this is the most important thing Pakistan can learn. The way China has lifted people out of poverty. And what I have understood so far, China allowed their businesses to make money. China concentrated on their special economic zones, the export zones. They brought in investment from outside. They created wealth. And from that wealth creation, they spent it on the less privileged, poor section of the society. And that's how they've achieved the miracle. And that's what we intend to do in Pakistan. The other thing I've learned from China is the way China has tackled corruption. President Xi Jinping's, one of his biggest crusade has been against corruption. And from what I hear, correct me if I'm wrong, that some 400 people, ministerial level people in the last 5 years have been convicted on corruption and put behind jail. And then, I read in the papers, now I don't know whether it is true, that there was a Chinese mayor who tons of gold was found in his room. And within 5 days he was convicted. So, why is this very important for not just Pakistan, but most of the developing world to learn from? Because the most important thing is, if you have corruption, it stops investment. Corruption is one of the biggest impediments in investment coming into your country. One of the main reasons why we have not been able to develop this great potential of Pakistan has been the fact that red tapeism, and red tapeism is also because of corruption. When you slow down, by slowing down procedures through red tape, it is a way of getting speed money, corruption money. And corruption, when firms have an opportunity they can invest anywhere in the world, they will always invest in economies that are cleaner.